Good morning everyone. So today we are here at the Turtle Run Park near our house and we're going to get Julian. So we're gonna do grocery shopping. My in-laws are here and they have Julian right now at the park. So yeah, we're gonna go grocery shopping later on and just walk around and enjoy a beautiful Saturday morning. What happened to your hat? It's dirty now. Go here. Julian, go here. Did he? Did you went with him? Oh Lord. Come on, Julian. Mommy's waiting. Come on. Good morning, everyone. So today we are here at Dubois Park. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Dubois Park here in West Palm Beach. And we are just gonna go around, trying to go fishing a little bit, and we're gonna try metal detecting. Thank you. So the in-laws are here, Julian is here, so we're just gonna walk around and just explore the Dubois Park. And I'll show you guys more about it in a few. So this is like the lagoon here at the Dubois Park. Wow, it's really nice. And the water is super clear, as you guys can see. And it's blue. Wow, so pretty. Here. Wow, it's so nice there, babe, at the lagoon. Look, there's little fishes right there. It's so nice there. It's pretty. You excited? Where's your things? You didn't brought your card, Julian? Hmm. This is how the water is right now. There's a bird right there.
Sandbirds, these are good to eat.
Are you gonna bring it home?
You want it?
It's up to you. Look, Julian, Daddy caught a fish.
I need the bottle of water real quick so I can bring it.
Daddy got a fish, but it's too small.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Julian, not over the edge, please. Look, Daddy caught a fish. Do not touch the shrimp, anak. It's daddy shrimp. I'll give you food. Hold on. I'll give you food. No, Papa's a fish. Go there.
It's a good morning.
We're gonna go bring it home and we're gonna eat
Sun
the
is
fish, okay?
shining, birds are singing. You are
Pizza, okay,
smiling
we're gonna
back
get the
at me.
pizza. Is that okay?
Got the boat hooked on the back of the truck.
Yes.
We got nowhere else to be.
You're wet.
It's a good
Let's
morning.
wipe your face. You'll change
It's a
later.
good morning. Windows rolled down, favorite songs up, barefoot tapping on the dash.
Hi guys, so nakauwi na kami and right now I'm cleaning up the fishes na nahuli ni Aline. What kind of fish are these nga? Mohara? Mohara and spot-tailed tinfish? Okay. Pinfish. Ayan na nga guys. Mohara and spotted pinfish.
After that boating, you can crack open our first cold ones of the day. Before the clock hits noon, me and you will be floating our worries away. Cause it's a good morning. It's a good morning.
Hi everyone! So we are here at the Nissan dealership here in West Palm Beach and we are checking some cars right now. And I'm with Julian. Say hi!
Hey. Mom.
To test drive the car and so far I really like it because I can see everything and there's memory seats which I really like. That way when Aline is driving or I'm driving, you know, you can choose the seat options, and then I like that you are able to see everything because it's a bigger car. So far so good. We're just gonna see what else it entails in this package that we have. And yeah, because it is a used car, we want to make sure that everything that we wanted in the car will be there price wise, and whatever we see in the sticker from the website that before checking it out here. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit and I'll show you guys more information about the car. So guys, a little update. So we are now here at inside the office and we're trying to see some negotiations regarding the car that I'm going to get. This is our Valentine's. So hopefully we can get the car according to our terms, and I'll let you guys know more about it in a few minutes. So hi guys, you already got the car, ready home now. Hi babe. So we are here at Nissan in West Palm Beach. Already got the car, ready to go home. It's already super duper late. And this is how we celebrated our Valentine's Day. Yep, to deal with cars. Anyway, I'm excited because we're driving our car for the first time.